They may want to say, well, okay, I need to look at some different solutions, and NetSuite is probably the best option for them, but they don't know for sure. So what is it about NetSuite that when that light bulb goes on and they say, well, we're running QuickBooks now and we need to get off of that, or they're on a different ERP, what is the actual differentiator with NetSuite that makes it stand out from other ones that are solving the same problems?
So the key thing about NetSuite is that it's already been configured. So they've put in what they call leading practices, and the leading practices come from a hive mind of 38,000 companies around the world who've worked out the best ways to do things. So here's the best way you do accounts receivable or accounts payable or your inventory or your warehouse or your projects. So you don't have to build. When people look at new ERPs, they go, I'm going to buy it and then I have to build it. And that's going to be something that takes a lot of time, a lot of money, energy that they don't have. So NetSuite comes pre-configured in different versions for each industry, which is very important because then you can concentrate on what are the problems that you're trying to solve.
Right.
Because much as we all love to believe we're absolutely different, 95% of the time it's pretty much the same. Now, NetSuite can let you configure certain things, but what we want to concentrate on is getting the KPIs sorted out, applying it to the business, leveraging the best practices so that you're very quickly to market, you're very quickly past the pain points, and you can concentrate on growing your business as opposed to being an IT development shop.
Hey, thank you so much for enjoying this video. I have a quick message about NetSuite. Every firm that's come to us for guidance has totally transformed their business with NetSuite. So if you're in professional services, maybe you're in healthcare, manufacturing, could be that you're in warehousing, maybe you have an accounting firm or a law firm, could be you're in private equity, doing M&A, maybe you have a business that has multiple locations, or really it could be a wide variety of other industries. NetSuite solves so many of the business problems that you're facing. One major issue right now is QuickBooks Desktop. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, which is going end of life, and you're ready to make a change, NetSuite will definitely solve that problem. Also, if you already have NetSuite, but you're frustrated or maybe you're disappointed with the level of service you're getting, with the outcomes that you're getting, with the productivity that you expect that you should be getting, you should definitely reach out to me, okay? Our clients consistently tell us that they feel way more confident and they see a lot more reliability and way better outcomes and productivity, not to mention 40 to 70% savings on NetSuite licensing. So we're here for you. Also, we'll help you determine if NetSuite is the actual right fit for you, and we'll provide expert support. So don't wait. Use the form below, schedule a free consultation with me, and let's see how NetSuite can transform your business. Now back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.